करो ओके गेट आउट बाबू हेलो इसमें थोड़ा ठंडा पानी दे देना आया होगा तो थैंक यू hello friends namaskar welcome to our new classes and in today's class we'll discuss about the okay well in today's class we'll discuss about some new questions of the some new questions of environment as well as some new topics some new concept about the environment and I hope all of you will like these videos and if you like these videos then please do like share and subscribe to these like share to these videos as well as subscribe to our channel because that's mandatory. So everyone please share these videos and try to comment right answers otherwise wrong answers in the comment box. I am still waiting for response, so please do it fast. Yeah, it's my humble request to all of you that please write in the comment box that what will be the correct option. And because today's weather is very good, it's charming. So I think we should start now because I have shared these videos to some study groups. So I think we should start now. So our first question is today's first question is well, our today's first question is about the okay which of the following regions of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspots. Select the correct answers from the codes given below. And our codes are A. Eastern Himalayas, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Western Ghats, third Western Ghats, and fourth Western Himalayas. And these are the codes. And that question have been asked had been asked in UPPSC. What happened to this? Okay, in UPPSC 2012. So that's important. That's why I'm saying that these questions will be repeated many times. So please try to attend these questions and try to answer these questions that what will be the correct option. Sorry, what will be the correct option? Yeah, everyone. Anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. Yeah, please provide me the correct option that what will be the correct option of these questions. Yeah, it's our today's first question, and the question was which of the following regions of India has designated as biodiversity hotspot? Select the correct answers from the codes given below. I think there is some network problem. So, well, anyone who is live, please write in the comment box that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, I am still waiting for response that which of the following is correct. So, well, when we talk about the regions of India, biodiversity hotspots of India. So first thing is there that what is biodiversity. First, we will talk about the biodiversity, and after that, we'll talk about the hotspots. So when someone asks you what do you mean by biodiversity, so biodiversity. So I think I should take a new slide. Yeah, it's a new slide. When we talk about the biodiversity, when someone asks you what do you mean by biodiversity, then you can say So biodiversity is a broad term. Biodiversity is a broad term, and it is made up of two words. It is made up of two words, and these words are, it's made up of two words, and these words are bio plus diversity. Diversity, or you can say bio means life or living organism, life or living organism, living organism. Okay, life or living organism. And biodiversity means variations. It means variations. It means variations. So when someone asks you what do you mean by biodiversity, then you can say, so biodiversity is a broad term in which we discuss about the living organism and their variations. Means if in a specific area, if in a specific area or in a given area, if these things in a specific area, in a specific area. So when someone asks you what do you mean by biodiversity, then you can say easily, so biodiversity is a broad term in which is made up of only two terms, that is the bio plus diversity. Bio means life or the living, because when we talk about the biodiversity, that is related to the life or living organism, and the diversity means the variations at a specific area, or you can say at a specific place. So in simple words, you can say, so biodiversity is a broad term when in which we talk about the variations of various species, variation in various species at a specific area, that is known as biodiversity. That is known as biodiversity, and these biodiversities are most important. It is most important. It is most important. It is most important to save environment. To save environment. Environment as environment, or you can say culture, everything. When our biodiversity will be at a good condition, so that's sure that everything will be in a good condition on that area. So if when we talk about the most biodiverse areas, so there are 12 mega diversities. There are 12 mega diversities in world. There are 12 mega diversities. There are 12 mega diversities in world, in which India is also mega diversity, in which India, in which India is one of the mega diversity of the world. Why it is mega diversity? Because in India we have huge variations, because due to our climatic, due to our, if you talk about the globe, so it's a globe. So due to our climatic locations, due to our climatic locations, because that is the equator, it is equator, it is equator, and that is the um, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. So because India is lying in that area, and the areas near the equator. And the areas near to equator, yeah. The oh, I think there is some problem. I think I should take a new slide. When and the areas near to equator. So when we talk about the areas, because suppose it's a globe, it is our equator, it is our equator, and that is north, then south, then east, then west, that is 23 and a half, and that is also the 23 and a half, because India is lying in that area, means we are very near to the, we are very near to the equator. So because that area, this area is most biodiverse. Now you'll say, so why this area is most biodiverse area? Because in that area there is huge sunlight, there is huge sunlight, and if there is huge sunlight, it shows there is huge temperature, there is huge temperature. If there is huge temperature, that sure that this area has excess water, excess rain, has excess rain, and if any area has excess rain, so that area will be humid. That area will be humid, and if that area will be humid, so it has many plants. So it has many plants, or you can say many species of plant. It has many species of plants. It has many species of plants, and that many species of plants is the biodiversity at a specific area. So we can say that the climatic position, or you can say the geographical position of any country or any place, shows that what will be its biodiversity and what organisms can be found in those area. That is why geography play a very important role for any organism and for any place. Okay, because every organism have a specific habitat, or you can say have a specific natural habitat, as well as some specific characters, and those characters have been carried out due to their geographical location. So now you can correlate that why we are going to study biodiversity, because when we talk about the biodiversity, so these areas are most biodiverse area. So why these are most biodiverse area? Because these have huge sunlight. When there will be huge sunlight, there will be huge temperature leads to huge rain. When there will be huge rain, there will be humid conditions, and the maximum plants can be survive there. And when there will be plant, there will be huge number of organisms are there. So that is why these areas are most biodiverse area. When we talk about the India, if we talk about the India, when we talk about the map of India, yeah, when we talk about the map of India, it's a lower part of India. Again, it's a lower part of India. So that area, as I told you, because that area is nearby equator, so that area has very humid condition, those type of condition. So that is the Western Ghats. These are Western Ghats. These are Western Ghats. Then Eastern Himalayas. Then Eastern Himalayas. Western Ghats. Then Eastern Himalayas. Then after that, some areas of Andaman and Nicobar Island, and some areas of Sudaland too. Sudaland too. So these are the most biodiverse areas of India. These are the most biodiverse areas in India. Why these are most biodiverse area? Due to their specific location. Due to their specific locations, these are most biodiverse area. So now we'll move to our next question. So the question was, yeah, the question was, which of the following region of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspots of India? Which of the following area is designated as most biodiversified, or you can say biodiversity hotspots of India? So what do you mean by hotspots? Hotspots are those areas which have huge density, of biodiversity. So those are known as biodiversity hotspots. So our options are A, Eastern Himalayas, B, Eastern Ghats, C, Western Ghats, and D, Western Himalayas. And D, Western Himalayas. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. So because as I told you that Eastern Himalayas is correct, and Western Ghat is correct. Eastern Himalayas is correct, and Western Ghats is correct. So option 1 and 3. Option 1 and 3 is correct. So we have option B, because as we have discussed in our slide that these areas, okay, that these areas are, that is area first, second, third, fourth, these are the most biodiverse area of India. So I think it's clear for all of you. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following region of India is regarded as a ecological hotspot? Again, which of the following region of India, which one of the following region of India is regarded as an ecological hotspot? Again, we have to talk which of the following is regarded as the ecological hotspots of India, and that was asked in IAS pre. That question was asked in IAS pre. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. Our options are A, Western Himalayas, B, Eastern Himalayas, C, Western Ghats, and D, Eastern Ghats. So anyone who is live, please try to comment which of the following is correct. Please try to comment which of the following is correct. Yeah, everyone. I am still waiting for response. Which of the following is correct? Yeah, this time many people are live, but I don't know why they are not interested in these questions. Everyone, please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Well, I'm still waiting for response. Whenever you have time, till today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, whenever you have time, please write in the comment box that what will be the correct option. Okay, if someone has comment, I think someone has commented. Okay, well, the question is, yeah, the question is which of the following is correct? Because we have discussed it earlier in the previous question, we have discussed that question. So now I think you can correlate. Okay, some Anup Singh is saying 2D, 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 2D. Okay, Anup Singh is saying that which of the following region of India is regarded as the ecological hotspots? So because Western Himalayas are not there, Eastern Himalayas, okay, yeah, Eastern Himalayas are there, Western Ghats are there, okay, Eastern Himalayas are there, Western Ghats are there, Eastern Ghats are there. No, so these this time it has two options which are correct: Eastern Himalayas and Western Ghats. Which of the following region of the India is regarded as the ecological hotspots? So I think if we have to choose only one, so that in that condition Western Ghats is a true. If we have to choose only one, then Western Ghat is true. So because both answers are correct, Eastern Himalayas is also correct and Western Ghats is correct. So because if you have to choose, so because if we have to choose, so we will choose only one question, so that will be Western Ghats. So that will be Western Ghats. So now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is the tallest known living tree is. The tallest known living tree is, and our options are A eucalyptus, B sequoia, C deodar, and D parnag, and that question was also asked in the BPSC Bihar pieces. Okay, so anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions, that what will be the correct option for these answers, that what will be the correct options of these questions. Everyone, anyone who is live, anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions, because these are mandatory, these are important, because many years in many examinations these topics are important. So questions will be asked on the basis of these questions. So please try to attend these questions, that what will be the correct option. Again, the tallest known plant, I think it's a GK question, it's a GK question, GK type question, that what is the name of tallest plant. So a clue is there, that that plant is mainly found in the USA. That plant is mainly found in the USA. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. So now first we will talk about the eucalyptus, because it is also found in India. Eucalyptus is known as the it is known as the enemy of, it is known as the this tree is known as the enemy of ecosystem. It is known as enemy of ecosystem. Now I will say, so why this plant is known as enemy of ecosystem. This plant is known as enemy of ecosystem because this plant absorbs maximum water. This plant absorbs maximum water, and when any plant will absorbs the maximum water, so it will render the growth of other plants. It will render the growth of other plants. So that is why it is known as enemy of ecosystem, because the roots of eucalyptus are goes in a depth, in a huge depth, and they generally absorbs the maximum water, or you can say groundwater. That's why we can say that that plant is the means that plant means eucalyptus. It is the yeah, it is the enemy of ecosystem, and it is also enemy of farmers too, because generally many years ago maximum farmers planted these planted these plants on the near their land, and because due to their shade, as well as due to their water absorbing capacity, these will be these have destroy the cropping area. That's why these plants are known as the enemy of farmer, as well as the enemy of ecosystem. So now the question is, the tallest living tree is, that is eucalyptus, but that eucalyptus is not the correct answer. The correct option is sequoia. The correct option is sequoia. Yeah, the correct option is sequoia, because the tallest plant, it is the tallest plant of the world, and I think its height is about more than 130 meters. Its height is more than 130 meter, or 130 feet. Sorry, yeah, 130 feet, and it is found in the USA. It is found in the USA. So option B is correct. So our option B is correct. So if anyone who have provided the option B, they should clap for them, because that's true. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, that's question number 3. Okay. Question number 4 is, a species is considered to be extinct if it has not been seen in its natural habitat for A 15 years, B 25 years, C 40 years, and D 50 years. And that question was asked in UPPSS 2005. This question was asked in UPPSS 2005. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. That what will be the correct option? Yeah, that what will be the correct option? Because, well, a thing is there, whenever we have to talk about the extended species, whenever we have to talk about the extended species, or you can say endangered species, in that condition we generally study the IUCN data. We generally study the IUCN data. We generally study the IUCN data. We generally study, or you can say read the IUCN data. So first thing is there, that why any organism is considered as extinct. So any organism, that could be plant or animal or anything, if it has not been seen, if it has not been seen before 50 years, so it will be regarded as that species is extended. So option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following is not responsible for the extinction of a species? Again, which one of the following is not responsible? Is not means we have to choose the negative impact. Okay, Sabana Siddiqui, 15 years. Wait, Sabana. Again, which one of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species? Again, which one of the following is which one of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species? Our options are A, broad niche, B, large body size, C, narrow niche, and D, lack of genetic variability. And D, lack of genetic variability. So if anyone is live, then please tell me what will be the answer of question number 5. What will be the answer of question number 5? Anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option? Yeah, everyone. I think someone was live. So, well, please provide me the correct option. Savannah 5D, a broad niche, lack of variability, narrow niche, and lack of genetic variability. Well, Savannah, let me check. Let me check. It will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time, because when we have talked about the responsible extension of a species, if which one of the following is not responsible. If the question was is responsible, in that condition that could be the right, but it is asking which one of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species. So in that condition, because large body size, when we talk about the large body size, so yeah, it is responsible. If an animal has large body size, so that's true that it can't survive, because suppose the examples are dinosaur or mammoth. Mammoths are the ancestors of elephant. Mammoths are the ancestors of elephant, which are found lakhs of years ago, as well as the dinosaurs. These are also the extent. These are also the extended species which are not seen in today's scenario. So large body size also matter, because if an organism has very large body size, so that organism can't survive. That organism can't survive at a proper way. Okay, so this is incorrect. B, narrow niche. Niche is also incorrect, because when we talk about the narrow niche, so it has not the all the necessary things, it has not the all necessary things which are responsible for the development, so it is also incorrect. Third is lack of genetic variability. Lack of genetic variability is good thing, it's important. It is not for the, because the question is saying not responsible, because this question was asked in UPPSC, so you can correlate that they will not ask simple questions. So is not responsible for the extension of a species. So this is lack of genetic variability is responsible. It is responsible because if any organism have lack of genetic variability, so it can't survive. It can't survive, because when we talk about the law of natural selection, if we talk about the law of natural selection, so what do you mean by law of natural selection? Law of natural selection says that only those organisms can survive who have the capability, or you have the power to change themselves according to the environment. So only those organisms can change themselves according to the environment which have the power of genetic variability, which have the power to change their genetic variations, means by the process of mutation or everything. So they are, that is also not the correct answer. The correct answer will be broad niche, because if there is broad niche, so it will not affect the any extension of any species. So option 1 will be the correct option. So in that case condition, option A will be the correct option. Savannah, I know the question was hard, so there is no need to think about it. Now we'll move to the next question. India aims to achieve land degradation neutrality by the year A 2035, sorry 2025, B 2030, C 2035, and D 2040. So please provide me the correct option for that answer. And that question was asked in UPPSC 2019. So it's important. So I think there is no need to say that it is important or not. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. That what will be the correct option. That what will be the correct option. Yeah, this time India is growing very fast, because this time our country is doing very well things, very important things, very marvelous things in the growth and development of the country. That is why every country is jealous by us. Mainly two countries are there, three countries are there, that is the USA, Russia, as well as our neighboring country, China. I didn't count, I never count Pakistan as a country, because Pakistan is not a country. Pakistan is a small dead country. Pakistan is a small dead country. So I think there is no need to talk. There is no need to count them as a country, because they are going to be destroyed, and they are destroyed. I think after 6 to 7 years, the country will be destroyed economically, and when it will be destroyed economically, then that's sure. Then it will also be destroyed as a physical or anything. Well, India aims to achieve land degradation neutrality by the year. First thing is there, that what is land neutrality? Okay, that this is question number 6. First thing is there, that what is land neutrality? What do you mean by land neutrality? Then you can correlate. First think about the what is land neutrality, then you can correlate, because that question was asking the aims to achieve. So this time the maximum aims which we have to achieve, that is the 2030. That is the 2030. Another question is there, that the sustainable development goal, SDG goals. SDG goals, we have 17 SDG goals, and we have to achieve these goals till 2030. So please remember these things at a proper way. Why this is important? We have to also eliminate the some disease. So the some disease too. So if you have not no idea about these the correct data, so just go 2030. It will be the correct option. Okay. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is question number 8. Endangered species are listed. Okay, 6 then 8. Okay, well, endangered species are listed in. Endangered species are listed in. Our options are A. Dead stock book, B. Red data book, C. Livestock book, and D. None of the above. And that question was asked in UPPSC 2013. So please provide me the correct option because this is simple question, and I hope all of you can correlate. And I hope all of you can correlate that what will be the correct option. And in our office today we have a engagement party, so that's why we have celebrated. Yeah, one of my colleague has engaged today, that's why we have a party, and we have enjoyed so much. So when we talk about the endangered species are listed in a dead stock book, 5T. That's question number 8. Anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. Everyone, please provide me the correct option. Arya Gupta, 8B. Thank you, Arya. It's okay. 8B is correct option. Red data book. Because in red data book, the endangered species are listed. In red data book, endangered species are listed. When we talk about the livestock book, so livestock books are those books generally it is kept by the countries. Generally, these are kept by the countries to count the livestock, to count the livestock generally, averagely in their country. So the correct option will be option B. Now the next question is, which one of the following Indian birds is a highly endangered species? And that question was asked in UPPSC 2005. That bird is also endangered till today. That bird is also endangered in till today. And the well, options are A. Golden oracle, C. Great Indian bustard, C. Indian fantail pigeon, and D. Indian sunbird. So anyone, if anyone have idea, please provide me the correct answer. Please provide me the correct answer. That's question number 9. It's question number 9. Please provide me the correct answer. I am still waiting for response. Yeah, it's question number 9. Well, a hint is there that that bird is a state bird. This bird is a state bird of Rajasthan. Next hint is there. In Rajasthan, it is known as Gondavan. In Rajasthan, it is known as Gondavan. And now you have to say what will be the correct option. Anyone, please try to tell which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Sorry, optional question means may. optional question means में कैसे? Well, because when we talk about the optional, because the question is, sir, your optional question means में कैसे? Well, when we talk about the means, so in section third, we have science tech as well as the environment too. So they generally ask the simple questions. I will provide you some answers. So in those conditions, if you have data, whenever you have to write whenever you have to write some answers, so in that condition there is need of data. So these question will provide you the correct data, and whenever you will provide the correct data, so that's sure that you will get the extra marks. Suppose, take example, mm, suppose if a question is there, that question number 1 or question number 2, why uh, the question number is there, that why the great Indian bustards, why the number of great Indian bustards are decreasing day by day, because it is in the current topic. So why? Yeah, option B is correct. Concentrate on me. The question is there, that why the great Indian bustard, why great Indian bustards are decreasing day by day. Why great Indian bustards are decreasing day by day? Suppose the question is there, or comment on great Indian bustard, or the question could be comment on great Indian bustard. So if you have proper data, if you have a huge data, so you can mug up those things and you can provide the correct answer. So in that condition, whenever if the question was, uh, great Indian bustards are endangered day by day. Why they are endangered day by day, or why they are endangered day by day, or comment on great Indian bustards. So these are two questions. So in that conditions, you have to write everything about the great Indian bustards, because these are in news. So you will say, what is the scientific name of great Indian bustard? What is the scientific name of Indian bustards? So in that condition, you have to write why. Okay, you have to write why, then when, means why it is news, when, what is their condition, what is their condition in India as well as in world. And next thing is there, if there is some economical importance, if there is some economical importance, or you can say social importance, so you have to write those things. So listen to me carefully, why this is important. Because uh, when the India got the independence, at that time it was not finalized that the peacock will be our national bird. At that time, it was in news that the great Indian bustard, which is known as Gondavan in Rajasthan, will be the will be the state animal of India. But due to some problems, or you can say due to some politics, that has not been the that is not declared at the Indian. Yeah, it is not declared as the Indian state bird. Sorry, national bird of India. On the other hand, the peacock is regarded as the national bird of India, because this is more famous. That time, this is more famous than the peacock. Next thing is there, it is mainly found in the areas of, next thing, where it is found. Mainly, it is found in the areas near the Rajasthan, as well as in some areas of Pakistan, as well as in some areas of Gujarat too. Why these are important? Because these are good hunters too. These birds are good hunters too, and these are mainly found in the areas near the wetlands of those area. So you have to write everything over there. You have to write everything over there in that, so you can get the maximum marks. Why there is endangered? Because they are generally found in the grassland areas. These are generally found in the grassland areas, and because the grasslands are decreasing day by day, you will write everything. Because the grasslands are decreasing day by day, first thing is there, due to various environmental changes, these can't survive. You, and after that, you will write everything I think Arya, it's clear to you. Arya, is it clear or not? I think I have told many things, but after some days, I will provide you a exact question, and then we will write everything over there. Arya, is it clear or not? Tell me. Okay, we were doing the question number. Okay, we were doing the question number 9. Yeah, in that condition, question number 9B was correct. In that condition, Great Indian Bustard was correct, because this question was again asked, I think, in 2016 or 17. And if you are alive, then tell me, is it okay or not? Yeah, after some days, today or tomorrow or on Monday onwards, I will provide you mains answers. I will provide you main question and answer. Then you can correlate these things at a proper way. Well, the next question is, okay, that's question number 10. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Golden langur, endangered. B. Desert cat, endangered. C. Holcock gibbon, endangered. And D. Asiatic wild dog, threatened. Okay, well, Arya, thank you. Now you have to say what will be the correct option. What will be the correct option? And this is question number, I think, 10 or 11. Because this time, this I think that question should not be mentioned. The why my team has mentioned that question, because this question have been deleted, because every option is this time till 2014, 2024. Every option is endangered. So I think that's not correct. So we should move to the next question. Okay, yeah, this question is correct. Which of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity in Uttarakhand? Which of the following is not the, okay, that was asking Uttarakhand PCS. Which of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity in Uttarakhand? Options are A. Expansion of road. B. Urbanization. C. Afforestation of barren lands. And D. Extension of agriculture. And D. Extension of agriculture. Everyone, please provide, it's a simple question, please provide me the correct option, then I can, or I will also provide a mains question on that topic. So please provide me. This is question number 11. Please provide me the correct option. I think there is some network problem. Okay, 11C. Well done, Arya. Option C is correct, because expansion of roads, no, it's impossible. Urbanization, no, it's impossible. Afforestation of barren lands, because when we start afforestation, so that will improve the biodiversity, or that will save the ecological balance. And the question was not a reason. So C is correct answer. So now you can say, sir, how it is important for the mains. If you think about the how it is important for the mains, because in the previous year, yeah, in the previous year, various PIL, in the previous year, various PIL, okay, some, well, in the previous year, various PIL, I think all of you have been aware about the PIL, that is the public, uh, Mhm. I forgot the full form of that. So when we talk about the PL, various PL have been filed against the government of Uttarakhand, against the government of Uttarakhand. Why these are filed? Because the expansion of road was occurred, because the expansion of road are occurred, due to which the government have to cut many trees, due to which the government have to cut many trees. That's why various ngos various ngos you can say various public people went to Supreme Court, High Court, to stop the expansion of roads, because the Uttarakhand is near to the China border. You can say Tibet border, and Tibet is also part of China. Uttarakhand has a very you can say important locations at war at it is very important locations for India, because it is very near to China border, or you can say that Tibet border. So why India is expanding the road? Because we have to move various military vehicles. We have to move various military vehicles, various military missiles, or you can say many type of instruments too. So that's why our government are increasing, broaden the road area, and they are also developing many roads over there. So the question was, is it important? The question was, is it important to increase the breadth of to increase the breadth of width of roads in the Uttarakhand, if it is not necessary? So the answer is, yeah, it is necessary. It has its geographical importance, because it is near to the China border. It's near to China border, and if the vehicles of Indian Army, or you can say Navy or anything, Indian Army, everything is there. If they can't go over there, so our soldiers can't fight. So in that condition, yeah, that deforestation should be okay in those areas. Okay, so I think now it's clear to you that why these questions provide you the link that how you can write these things. Okay, so because I think that question was asked in 2018 or 19, why the deforestation, yeah, that is related to the why various PIL have been filed against the government of India or Indian Army, because they are increasing the breadth of roads. So these will provide you the some data, and because in mains no one can teach that how to write. We can only provide the inputs that how you will write, because it's your technique, it's your responsibility to write on the mains option. Because in the mains there is only 6 to 7 minutes. Generally it is 8 minutes, but at my opinion it is 6 to 7 minutes. In which in 6 to 7 minutes, if you have data, so you will write everything, and if you don't have any data, so you can't everything. So that's why these questions will provide you the data. Well, so the next question is, which of the following statements about Sikkim are true? Okay, which of the following statement about Sikkim is true? Sorry, are true? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Select the following statements about Sikkim are true. Again, please provide me the correct option. And this is the question number 12. It is question number 12, and it's important. It's question number 12, and it's important. So please provide me the correct option. Everyone, anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be its correct option. Everyone, because I'm still waiting for response. So please provide me the correct option. Yeah, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of these questions. Yeah, Arya or Sabana or anyone who's live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option. Today's weather is very hot in Lucknow, and I think that it will Yeah, because the weather of Lucknow is very drastic this time. RAC is not working properly. Its weather is very drastic. So, well, I don't know about your area. So, provide me the correct option. Which of the following statement about Sikkim are true? Arya or Sabana or anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of that question? Because we have only 10 minutes. We have only 10 minutes to go. So, please provide me the correct option. Well, the correct option is, I don't know why. Well, the correct option is because, yeah, Sikkim becomes the integral part of India in 2000. In 1975. That's true because in 1975, in 1975, it becomes an integral part of India as a state. So that's true. Second is there. It is considered as a botanist paradise. Yeah, it is also known as the botanist paradise. It's true because it comes in the most biodiverse areas. It also comes in the not most biodiverse area, but biodiverse areas of northern Himalayas. So that's true. Third is its population is mainly made up of lepchas. Yeah, its population is mainly made up of lepchas, bhutias, and some Nepalis too. And some Nepalis too. So that's true. All of these are correct. So this time, all of these are correct. So we have option 1, 2, 3. Yeah, option D is correct. So we have option D is correct. So now we'll move to the next question. The most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is established of as the established of A. Biosphere Reserve, B. Botanical Gardens, C. National Parks, and D. Wildlife Sanctuaries. And D. Wildlife Sanctuaries. And that question was asked in ISP 2014. So now you can correlate that why it is important. So anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. It's important. Please provide me the correct option. This time, I'm still waiting for a response that what will be the correct option. So when we talk about the most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity, together with the traditional use of human life in establishment, that is the biosphere reserve, botanical gardens. So that's incorrect. Okay, in that condition, botanical garden is incorrect, national park is incorrect. We have wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserve. So wildlife sanctuaries are not for the human activities. So only biosphere reserves are correct because in biosphere reserves we have core areas. Area group 13A. What an area? Because when we talk about the biosphere reserves, so we have that is the core area. In core area, no human activities are involved. After that, the transition areas, in transition areas some human activities by the government can be involved. So you can say that the sir biosphere reserves could be the right answer. Now we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is the not a site for in situ method of conservation of flora? Which of the following is not? Always read the question twice. That is it asking a right thing or wrong thing, not or only. Please, it's my humble request to all of you that be serious on that topic. Okay, well, so the question is which one of the following is not a site for an in situ method of conservation of flora? In situ method of conservation of flora. Again, which of the following is not a in situ method of conservation of flora? It's a simple question, so I think all of you can answer. Yeah, it's a simple question. So I'm sure that all of you can answer that question, that what will be the correct option. Because this will be our last question. This will be the last question of today's session. Arya, Saban, or anyone who can provide me the correct option, please provide. Because when we talk about the conservation, that is the in situ and ex situ. So generally in ex situ we have gardens, We have gardens, zoos, aquarium, garden, zoos, aquariums, and botanical gardens. Everything is there. Okay. So on when we talk about the in situ, so in situ, generally the in situ the biosphere reserves are found. So option is A, biosphere reserve, botanical garden, national parks, wildlife sanctuary. All these are correct. Only biosphere reserve is correct, because in biosphere reserves the organisms are in biosphere reserves the organisms are kept in their natural habitat, so option A is correct. Then 14A is correct. So I think this is over, and we will again meet in the next session. Till then, have a nice day. Be happy and be healthy. Bye.